All right, good afternoon. My name is Okoth Andrew, pursuing a diploma in information technology. Um, I'm here to explain of the program we were told to do. We were told to write a C++ program that treats a positive integer entered by the interactive user and the printout of all positive divisors of that integer in the columns. And to decrease the order, the program should allow the user to repeat this process as many times as the user wishes. The program to be terminated in any of the two ways. What the first way, that is the program should halt if the user enters an integer that is negative or 0. In case if not, you should be reminded that the program should prompt that the user what he has entered should be either terminated or provides out the results. And then the program should also ask the user whether he or she still wishes to enter more integers in case he enters accidentally a negative or 0 integer that have to be calculated because the program is specifically designed to exhibit the positive divisors of positive integers that are only entered. And then the program should repeatedly prompt to enter only a positive integer. Each time the positive integer is entered, it should give a printout of it. And here it goes. We start by the line 1, our iOS string, the vectors, the logarithms. These are our libraries that are used in writing that will help us in running sequences, characters, that are being used to write the program. That is from our hint, the menu. We should the character, the user should have the choices, the different choices. That is to say, from the data that is being given, the program is designed to exhibit positive divisors of positive integers supplied by the person using it, by the user, meaning the program is to allow only positive integers. Then the second one is allowing the user to repeatedly enter in positive integers all the time, not negative ones, giving it a specific command. And if not, to terminate the program, or you can enter a negative number or 0. When you enter this, it should terminate it, or if not, quit it when you happen to enter a 0 or a negative number. If not, to please always enter in a positive integer. When the person tries to enter in a negative integer, automatically the program will quit. when the person enters in a zero or a negative integer or a negative number, it should exit the program. Here, that is to say, by the help of the vector, it will help us to run different figures and character sequences by giving us what we are specifically looking at and the commands that are being given to the program. That is to say, by the help of the vectors, it should push back, then should be able to display positive integers. When a negative integer is being entered in, it should quit, asking if the user still wants to enter in another number that falls under the positive integers, while the y, if the y stands for a yes. That is when a person happens to enter in a negative or a zero and still wishes to continuously enter in the integers that are positive, the system should ask him or her if he still wants to enter in other numbers. If the person doesn't wish, he will press N to terminate. Once the person terminates the program, it should display an output of "Thank you for using this program," and our return is 0. And let's try to run our code and see what it displays. We are trying to run our code to see what displays. This is the output. This program is designed to exhibit the positive divisors of positive integers supplied by you. You will be repeatedly prompted to enter a positive integer. To terminate the program, you can enter a negative integer, a negative number, or 0 at any prompt, meaning it is giving you the allowance. It is giving you the choices. Then here we can try to input in and see why it says please enter a positive integer or a negative number to quit. Let's begin by putting in a positive integer. Let me put 6, and we see when we run it, it decreases. The program decreases the order. That is by giving us the outputs of the positive integers that follow 6. Let me put 4, run. It says thank you for using the program, because 4 doesn't fall in the line of the integers that are positive. Let's try to run it again. Let's put 10. It provides us with that. Let's try to put 12. Then we run it again and test to see for the negative integers. Sorry for that, I gave it a wrong command that it doesn't understand. Let me input in again. We try running for the negative. Here, I can put 0. It's there. Thank you for using the program. Then let me try running it again and we check for the varieties. And we see let me put 10, run it. It provides me with the positive integers. Provide y to continue. It gives me the options to enter in other positive integers. I put 40. It provides me with the positive integer, the divisors, and all the positive integers. Let me put in negative 12. It terminates the program automatically by saying thank you for using this program. Yes, thank you. And that is my presentation.